then take us all forward. More importantly, from an Indian perspective, one has to recognize that our geographies, both whether it is in Europe or in this part of the world in South Asia, expose countries and regions to very different kind of threats, and more importantly, asymmetric threats. And if we do not recognize that, then fundamentally each other on the ocean without knowing how to communicate with each other. And I think that geopolitical reference is extremely important in the backdrop of the 2022 war.
Indian Joint Subcommittee of Agriculture. So there is a emphasis which is giving on collaboration in the agriculture sector. Now both the countries, Greece and India, they have ancient thoughts on this, and the Greek goddess Demeter is called the goddess of agriculture. So that's the context on which I am taking it.
That if this quality education is not provided, 84 million children and youth will be out of school. 300 million students will be lacking basic literacy skills, and out of 1 in 6 countries will achieve universal secondary school completion target, right? So that is the UN report which shows that if the quality education is not provided, I think
to conserve the resources being used in the
doing the proxy kind of role so that the war continues. But the world has failed to stop it. And United Nations was created primarily to stop the recurrence of war. Anyway, so coming back to India, and India agrees with this, which in G20.
Farming, it has been promoted that it is a very eco-friendly farming, and it is a good adaptation and mitigation options for climate change. But it is not good for all places, because we know that to support the organic farming we need a manure, and the